Flamingos are a distinctive species of bird recognized for their vibrant pink feathers and long, thin legs. These birds can be found in various regions worldwide, including parts of Africa, South America, and the Caribbean. The history of flamingos dates back millions of years, with fossil evidence indicating their existence for over 30 million years. Ancient Egyptians were the first to depict flamingos in art and literature and viewed them as a symbol of the god Ra, the sun god. In Roman times, flamingo tongues were a delicacy, and in medieval Europe, flamingos were kept in captivity as exotic pets. Today, flamingos are often associated with tropical locations and have become a popular symbol of leisure and relaxation. Their unique adaptations, such as their ability to stand on one leg for extended periods, have made them the focus of scientific research.